Okay. So again from coordinate geometry, 6C, last two questions from RS Agrawal, 24 and 25. So let's just go with the given information for 24. So A not equals to B and both are not equals to 0. So we have to prove that 3 points A comma A square, B comma B square and 0, 0 will not be collinear. So till now we are done with the questions which represents collinear points. So to show that they are not collinear, the value after substituting in the formula that should not come equals to 0. So let's just substitute. Let's just understand. Okay, let's just assume it 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, let's just write down the formula first. X1, this would be plus of X2 plus of X3. This complete should not be equals to 0. Only then we can say that it is not collinear. All the 3 points are not collinear. So let's just substitute a value. Okay, sorry, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y2, okay, y1 minus y2. So x1 is A plus x2 is B plus 0. So even here, no need to fill any kind of value if this kind of question comes in MCQ. But if you are asked to give the complete explanation, then you can substitute. Otherwise, you can ignore this. And even no need to take it like equals to 0. You can just go with the LHS. We know that for collinear points, the formula is this. So let's just go with left-hand side, LHS. So x I have substituted. Y2 is B square minus 0. 0 minus y1, which is A square. And there is no need to even fill. So I got AB square minus A square B. So even if I am taking common AB, B minus A, not equals to 0, in the next line you will write down not equals to 0. So then you will write, so as we know for the collinear points, this should be equals to 0. So all the 3 points are not collinear. Okay, now let's just do the 25th question also as well here. If the area of triangle with vertices, this is 4 square. So let's just draw a triangle first. Let's just label the vertices. This is x comma 3, 4 comma 4 and 3 comma 5. And let's just label it as A, B, C. So area of triangle ABC is given as 4 unit, 4 square unit. Actually, unit is cut down in the question over here. So I can write it up as first point, second point, and third point. I feel now no need to write down the formula of area. So I can directly write down 1 by 2 of value of x. I'm leaving space for value of y's. Then in the continuation, you have to focus on it in the continuation. Otherwise, if the order is breaked, then the value will be quite different. Then 4, then 3. And it is given by the formula, we will find the value and it is given equals to 4. Now, for the value of y, y1, y2, y3. So, y2 minus y3, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 3 and 3 minus 4. So, I got 1 by 2, negative 1 and x, negative x, 5 minus 3, that would be 2, 4 and 2, 8. 3 minus 4, negative 1, that means negative 3 equals to 4. So 1 by 2, I'm going to take this in cross multiplication. I'm eliminating from here, it would be negative 8, positive 5 equals to 4 times of 2. So negative x equals to 8 minus 5, negative x equals to 3. And now I can multiply with negative 1 on both the sides. So x is negative 3. So this was asked only. We found out the value for x.